Open Google Chrome on your computer and visit www.collegementor.com. Once you're on the home page, on the top right corner, you'll see the College Mentor 5 Crore Scholarship Test logo. Remember that this test is only for Class 12 students. Here the countdown would be displayed. Click on it and it will redirect you to the registration form. Now enter your first name, last name and select your gender. After that, you can enter your email address and phone number. Once you enter your phone number, click on Send OTP button. An OTP would come on your registered mobile number. Enter that OTP and click on Verify button. Once it's verified, it will display mobile number verified successfully. Now agree to the terms and privacy policy and click on Complete Step 1. Here you can see the second step for registration form. Select the category of scholarship under which you want to apply. There are 4 different categories. You can select one in which you fall, and remember that you would have to provide a certifications for categories once you win the scholarship. So select your categories carefully. Now select the stream you want to study in. You can select only one stream as of now. Then select your annual college fee budget, which is how much fees you would like to pay per year for your future college. Next, select the entrance exam you are preparing for. There are multiple exams in this list. You can select up to 7 exams. After this, select the state in which you desire to study in. If you are unsure about the state, you can select entire India as well. Now click on the Submit button. Once you submit, you can see a pop-up which says registration is successful. After this, you'll also receive an email on your registered mail ID. Now at the bottom right, you can see Print Confirmation button. Click on it to download it. Click on Save as PDF and it will be downloaded in the Downloads folder of your computer. You can check the PDF here. It is your scholarship application form confirmation receipt.